Chapter 10, Kabaddi, Kabaddi, Kabaddi. Okay, so Kabaddi, Kabaddi, Kabaddi is uh, something that you say when you play a game. Okay, it is the game of Kabaddi itself. So you have all seen the Kabaddi Premier League and how it works. Okay, so certain rules you might know, and let's see further how it works. So, chapter 10, Kabaddi, 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 out, out, all the girls shouted. Kabaddi, kabaddi, kabaddi. Hold from here. Kabaddi, kabaddi. Hold from the leg. Hold her leg. Kabaddi, kabaddi. Vasudha, you come here. You hold her from here. Hey, Sushila, make sure that her hand does not touch the line. Hold her hand. Kabaddi, kabaddi. Oh, she has touched. She has touched it. Out, out, out. All out. Ho, ho, ho. Your team is all out. Okay, so in Kabaddi, there is a group of students who will try to catch one person who is saying कबड्डी कबड्डी कबड्डी. ठीक है, एक लड़का या लड़की कबड्डी कबड्डी बोलेगी या बोलेगा, और बाकी के जो टीम मेंबर्स, जो अपोजिट टीम मेंबर्स है, उसको पकड़ेंगे. ठीक है, दिस इज हाउ कबड्डी वर्क्स. सो लेट्स गो फर्दर. What are these girls doing? They are shouting out, out, out. It is clear that they are playing a game. तो ये क्या कर रहे हैं? ये गेम खेल रहे हैं. What do you call this game? Chedugudu, Hututu, Chu Kitkit, Hududu, or Kabaddi, or something else. So basically these are all local names of Kabaddi. अलग अलग शहरों में कबड्डी का अलग अलग जो नाम है वो यहाँ पे लिखे गए हैं. So basically it's Kabaddi. When the girls surrounded Shyamala, you can see Shyamala is the girl in green color t-shirt. Okay. Everyone thought that she was out. Somebody caught her legs, somebody her arms, while one girl caught her by the waist. But Shyamala was not the one to give up. She dragged herself by increasing her strength and managed to touch the line in the center. So someone caught her by the arm, someone by the leg. Okay, different places they all caught her, but still Shyamala touched the center line. When Shyamala touched the line, all the girls of the opposite side were holding her. So all of them got out. But Rosie argued that Shyamala had taken a breath in between. So the team was not out. Shyamala insisted that this was not true. She said that if she had taken a breath, why did the girls keep holding her? There was a big argument. Finally, Shyamala won. So Rosie, एक दूसरी लड़की है जो ऑपोजिट टीम की थी, उसने बोला कि श्यामला ने कबड्डी कबड्डी बोलते बीच में ब्रेथ ले लिया था. सो व्हाइल यू आर सेइंग कबड्डी यू कैन नॉट टेक अ ब्रेथ, यू हैव टू से कंटिन्यूअसली. ओके, बट श्यामला डिड दैट. दैट इज व्हाट रोजी सेड. बट श्यामला सेड कि अगर मैंने ब्रेथ ली थी तो बाकी की लड़कियों ने क्यों मुझे पकड़ के रखा था, उनको छोड़ देना चाहिए था ना. तो दैट इज वाई द रेफरी सेड दैट श्यामला इज नॉट आउट. और जो लड़कियों ने श्यामला को पकड़ के रखा था वो सब आउट हो गई. ठीक है, लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी प्लेयर्स आर देयर इन अ कबड्डी टीम. देयर आर 12 प्लेयर्स इन अ कबड्डी टीम. 7 players on the ground, so and 5 players are reserved. So 12 players will be playing the game. उसमें से 7 players ground में होंगे और 5 players reserved रहेंगे. How many players got out when Shyamala touched the center line? 6 players got out when Shyamala touched the center line. How do you resolve with disputes during games? तो अगर कोई गेम में आर्ग्यूमेंट होता है तो आप कैसे उसको रिजॉल्व करते हो? The game referee should listen to both sides and give a fair judgment. तो गेम रेफरी को दोनों तरफ का सुनना चाहिए और फिर एक जजमेंट देना चाहिए. So this is what a game of kabaddi is like. Snatching and pulling happens. Someone is caught there is shouting also. This is a game of bravery and it has many rules. What does one do when one takes turn in kabaddi? He or she keeps on saying kabaddi kabaddi continuously. They have to hold their breath until they are coming back in their position. When you are taking your turn, be careful. You have to use your body and mind too. You have to pay attention all around. When you touch the line, of other teams take care that nobody from their team will catch you. How much you have to be careful. ओके सो व्हेन यू आर प्लेइंग कबड्डी 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 आपको कबड्डी कबड्डी कंटिन्यूअस बोलना है. ठीक है, बीच में कोई ब्रेथ नहीं लेनी है, इसमें बहुत ताकत भी चाहिए. ठीक है, आपको कबड्डी कबड्डी बोलते बोलते दूसरे कोर्ट में जाना पड़ेगा और जितने प्लेयर्स को आप आउट कर सकते हो उनको छू के वापस आपके कोर्ट में आपको आना है. ठीक है, एंड यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. आपको हर साइड देखना पड़ेगा, एक साइड कबड्डी भी बोलना पड़ेगा, कौन आपका पैर छूने के लिए आता है, कौन पकड़ने के लिए आता है, वो सब आपको एक साथ ही ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. When you go to play kabaddi, focus your attention on your legs, arms and eyes. You will notice the good coordination of all these body parts helps you a lot. So when you go to play kabaddi, you have to keep an eye on your legs, arms and eyes. Okay? So and you need a lot of strength also. Okay? बहुत ताकत की ज़रूरत होती है. What does it mean to be out in kabaddi? When does one get out in the game? तो कबड्डी में आउट कब होते हैं? When do you get out? So you get out in kabaddi when the opposite player touches you or you cross the line in the game. In some games, those who are having their turn, they touch others. In some games, they go to find the players. Which are such games similar to this? So they're asking here कि ऐसी और कौन सी गेम्स है जहाँ पे आपको छू के आउट करना है. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल वन इज खो खो. ओके, यू हैव टू टच द प्लेयर्स. देन हाइड एंड सीक. ओके, इन हाइड एंड सीक ऑल्सो यू हैव टू touch the players. Then catching game. Okay, there also you have to touch the players. Then chain game. There also you have to touch the player. What are other games that you play? What do the players have to do with it? तो ऐसी कौन सी गेम्स है जो आप खेलते हो अपने दोस्तों के साथ, अपने सोसाइटी में या अपने कॉमन प्लॉट में, और वो गेम्स के रूल्स क्या है वो आप सबको नोटबुक्स में लिखना है. ठीक है, सो लेट्स रीड अबाउट अ फेमस इंडियन स्पोर्ट्स वुमन, कर्नम मल्लेश्वरी. Karnam Malleshwari is a weightlifter. She lives in Andhra Pradesh. Her father is a police constable. Malleshwari started lifting weight when she was 12 years old. Now she can lift a weight of 130 kilograms. Karnam has won 29 medals in international events. Her 4 sisters also practice weightlifting. So Karnam Malleshwari is a girl. Okay, she lives in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, south of India. Her father is a police constable. ठीक है, पुलिस मैन भी नहीं, पुलिस कांस्टेबल है वो. ठीक है, और उसने वेट लिफ्टिंग कब शुरू किया? जब वो 12 साल की थी. ओके, व्हेन शी वाज ओनली 12 years old. Okay, almost your age, a little older than you. And now at international level she can lift 130 kilograms. Okay, that's a lot of weight. 130 kilograms is a lot of weight. Okay, and she has won 29 international events. Sarita Gaikwad. Sarita Gaikwad was born in Karandyamba village of Dang district on 1st June 1994. Sarita Lakshmanbai Gaikwad is a Gujarati sprinter. Her parents are busy with farming. She specializes in the 400 meters running race and 400 meters hurdles. She won gold medal in women's 4 into 400 meters relay race at the 2018 Asian Games. Gujarat government has selected her as brand ambassador for Beti Bachao Abhiyan. So Sarita Gaikwad is a Gujarati, okay, in the Dang district. Where is Dang district? Dang district is an area where Saputara comes, okay, that is Dang district. So her parents, what do? Her parents do farming. ठीक है, मम्मी पापा खेती करते हैं. And she is an Olympic running lady. Okay, she runs in the Olympics for 400 meters. That's a long distance for 400 meters. And she has also won a gold medal in the Asian Games. Okay. Story of 3 sisters. Look at this photograph. Don't they look like simple grandmothers? But they are different. The picture is of the 3 sisters, Jwala, Leela, and Hira. They live in Mumbai. All three of them played kabaddi and taught the game to others. Jwala tells, when we were young, girls were not allowed to play this game. People thought that if girls played such rough games, nobody would marry them. They also said that the girls had to wear boys' clothes to play kabaddi. This is why they stopped girls from playing. So these are three sisters, okay? And उनका नाम क्या है? What is the name of these three sisters? It is ज्वाला, लीला and हीरा. और ये तीनों क्या खेलती हैं? कबड्डी. Okay? So they are extremely good at kabaddi and they also taught everyone to play kabaddi, all the girls. So what happened? They said that we had to go through a lot of difficulties in when they were small. Why? Because in kabaddi you have to wear shorts. Okay, you cannot wear sari and play kabaddi. It is difficult. And in those days, only boys wore shorts. Girls did not wear shorts. But nowadays, girls also wear shorts. Okay, so slowly, slowly, times are changing and girls are becoming as tough as the boys. Okay, so that is why that time in those times it was very difficult. Okay, and kabaddi is a rough game. तो rough game है इसीलिए you have to be very strong and you sometimes break your leg, you get hurt, you get injured. तो उस ज़माने में कोई आपके साथ शादी भी नहीं करता था, ऐसा होता था. लेकिन अब ऐसा नहीं है. ओके. When they were young, their father died. Their mother and two mamas, मतलब maternal uncle, brought them up. Both uncles used to play kabaddi and kho. They encouraged the three girls to play kabaddi. तो when the girls were small, उनके पापा गुजर गए और उनके जो मामा है, ठीक है, उनके मामा ने उनको बड़ा किया और उनको उनके मामा की वजह से उनको कबड्डी और खो खो खेलना शुरू किया उन लोगों ने. Jwala and Leela talk about their experiences. Almost 50 years ago, when we started to play kabaddi, girls never got a chance to play this game. Parents did not let them play the game. But we always felt that we should play, and my uncles and mother supported us. We three learned the game, and some other girls also joined us. We informed a kabaddi club, which is very active even today. So, उनको उनका उनके मामा का बहुत सपोर्ट मिला, मम्मी का बहुत सपोर्ट मिला और कुछ और गर्ल्स भी उनके साथ आके ज्वाइन हो गई. ठीक है. फिर जो कबड्डी क्लब है, ठीक है, एक बहुत फेमस कबड्डी क्लब है, वो क्लब में जाके उन लोगों ने ज्वाइन कर दिया. रिमेंबरिंग दोज डेज. लीला एंड हीरा स्टिल रिमेंबर दोज डेज. They tell how they won some matches which they were about to lose. Once they went to a big city to play a match. Leela tells the match had to start at 6:30 in the evening. We went to see a movie. As soon as the movie started, we noticed some noise and disturbance. It was created by our mama, who was looking for us in the hall with a torch. When he found us, he gave a big scolding. So, Leela and Hira were supposed to go for a match in a big city, okay, to play kabaddi, and the match was to be started at 6:30. But instead of going to play the match, what did they do? They went and saw a movie, and then suddenly they heard a lot of noise. मूवी थिएटर में बहुत आवाज़ आ रही थी, सब लोग लड़ रहे थे. तो क्या देखा उन्होंने कि उनके मामा आए वहाँ पे और मामा उनको ढूंढ रहे थे टॉर्च चालू करके, एंड उनको बहुत बहुत स्कोल्डिंग मिली. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ द चैप्टर. ओके, दिस इज़ द गेम ऑफ कबड्डी.